Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about the problem of backup on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. As you see, here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat. Here in this list of app unfold, we click on first up and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.